Hi guys, Julia here. Today I'll show you how to ask questions correctly in English, and by the end of this video you'll sound more natural and fluent. Let's start. Our first question word is what. We use what to ask about things or information. For example, what is your favorite food? Or what do you do on the weekends? We use when for time. Example, when is your birthday? Or when do you usually wake up? Why? We use why to ask about reasons. Example, why is he late? Or why are you learning English? Use who to ask about people. Example, who is your best friend? Write in comments. If you want to ask about manner or way, you can use how. For example, how can I get to the airport? Or how do you make this cake? When there is a choice, we usually use which. For example, which book do you recommend? This one? This one. Which dress should I buy? This one or this one? Bonus question word. Usually people confuse these two questions, how much and how many. But remember, how much we use for uncountable nouns. Example, how much money do you have? And how many we use for countable nouns. How many books are on the table? Now, let's practice. I'll ask you 3 questions and you'll try to reply. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Where do you usually go on holiday? How many languages do you speak? You can pause the video, answer aloud, and write in comments below. I'll check and correct them. So, great job today. Now you can naturally ask questions in English. Write one question using one of these question words in comments below. I'll reply with feedback. If you like the video, hit and subscribe the channel for more simple and practical English tips. See you in the next videos. Bye!